Hey, what's up, Chainlink holders? This is Chainlink live price predication. You can check here the last 1 hour result. This time, this is going off. This is absolutely going off. This is very good result. Very excited. I'm very excited because I'm also Chainlink holder. Therefore, I'm very happy. I'm very excited for this last 1 hour result. You can check it out. The highest change of Chainlink is 27.24% USD dollar. This is absolutely going good result. You can check here the last 1 hour result. If we can check it out, last 2 hour result. I hope they are also good. Please subscribe ABS technical channel for latest updates. Just subscribe button. Okay, just press the subscribe button. Okay, let's check it out. The last 2 hour result. This is absolutely good. This is absolutely good. You can check here the latest news. You can check here 0.96%. Absolutely good result. This is absolutely good change. And Chainlink network. This is absolutely good result. I am very happy. I am very excited. But if you can check it out, the lower change, this is not high with the change of high. You can check here. This is absolutely good. This is absolutely good, not bad. Okay, but the change of high is absolutely 27%. But the change of low is 26%. This is very bad, but I don't know what we can say there. But 27% is going off. 27 US dollar is going off. This is absolutely good result. Okay, so let's check it out. The last 4 hour result. Oh my goodness, the last 2 hour result is very bad, very bad. 0.55% minus. This is minus. Very good, very bad change for Chainlink holders. This is very bad change. But the last 1 hour result is going off. Then I'm very happy. That's why I'm very happy, because this is plus 12% change. This is very good. This is very good, and this is good change for Chainlink holders. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe button for latest update. I am updating you anytime. Just 1 hour result, 12 hour result, 4 hour result. Any kind of new updates, any kind of question, you just comment me. Okay, and subscribe ABS technical channel and press the bell icon for latest update. Allah Hafiz. Take care. See you next time.